Hello guys, today's lead code problem will be set mismatch. So let's directly see the question. So you have a set of integer s which originally contains all the numbers from 1 to n. Unfortunately, due to some error, one of the numbers in the s got duplicated to another number in the set, which results in repetition of one number and loss of another number. You are given an integer array nums representing the data status of this set after the error. Find the number that occurred twice and the number that is missing and return them in the form of an array. So from this question, what we can get is that we are given an array which contains an number from 1 to n. So in that array, one number might be repeated and one number will be, there will be missing of a number. So we have to return an array of two elements. The first element should contain the repeated element and second element should contain the missed element. So let's see an example. If we take this array, it is given from 1 to 4 in which 2 is repeated but 3 is missed. So we have to return an array in which 2 is the repeated one and 3 is the missed one. In the second example, the array ranges from 1 to 2, but 2 is missed and 1 is repeated. So in this problem, we will directly go into the code and I will explain the logic along with the code. So this array is used for final return and we will be having two variable to store the number to get the total sum. So this sum will get the sum of all the elements in an array, while this sum actually finds the original sum of value 1 to n. So we will be having an hash set which contains, we will be using an hash set to check whether is there any duplicate or not. So we will be looping through the array and we are checking if the hash set does not contain an element. What we are doing is like we are adding the incrementing the sum by the element value and we are adding the element to the set. If the set already contains means it is a duplicate one, so we are assigning the value of duplicate to the return variable, and this original sum is the original sum variable is the original sum that we will get from the original numbers from 1 to n. So next step will be the missed elements can be obtained by original sum minus totals sum in an array. So the original sum that we get is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 10. The original sum that we get from this array will be 6 and 7. So if we subtract these two numbers, we will be getting the missed number and we will be adding in the return variable array of 1 and we will finally return the two element array. So let's run this code. So it's successfully submitted. So if you have any queries or any doubts, just put comments. Please kindly subscribe because we are putting so much effort in creating these video. So please show your support. Thank you guys. We will see you.